Hello, this is Josh with TektopiaTV, and I just kind of wanted to give you an update on what to expect from the channel in the next coming months. I really want to start doing some more unboxings of some things. I got a couple items that I'm going to be purchasing here shortly that I can do an unboxing and video on. I might do some reviews on some tech that I've been using before I started this channel, so I might do some on the Sennheiser Game Zeros back there. And I have SteelSeries Rival? I believe it's a Rival mouse. Yes, it is a Rival mouse. Love the mouse, so I might do a review on that as well with the SteelSeries software that comes with it for setting DPI and the colors and macros and all that kind of stuff. So plan to see some of that in the next coming months. I might do a review. Well, probably not. I don't think I'll do a review on my keyboard because everybody and their grandmother has already beaten that one to death. Other than that, I'm going to start a new segment, I guess, a new playlist, I guess you could say, called Tektorials, which is going to be tutorials. I mean, it'll be tutorial videos. I'm going to start off simple. Just doing some things that the average user or consumer or maybe even less than average users would be able to use. You know, things, really simple things, from like making sure that your resolution for your monitors are right, setting up themes maybe for Windows, how to maybe set up some, files and folders, just really, really basic, simple things, because I do get a lot of questions from people at work on how to do some of the most simplistic things ever. So I figured if I have that many people asking me on a daily basis, and that's just in my building, like just in my office area, and if there's that many people that are asking me right then and there, then think of how many people there are actually out there in the world that might be asking the same question. So if I can help somebody by doing anything, whatever, it doesn't matter what it is, then I would like to do that. So if you want to leave a comment below and any kind of thing that you want to know how to do, I mean, within reason, obviously I'm not an insane professional by any sense of the imagination. So, asking me how to build a website, can't help you. So, I mean, within reason, if there's anything that you want to know or learn how to do on the computer, just leave a comment below. I am an Android guy as well. I might have some videos where I might start some kind of playlist in the future about my favorite apps, kind of thing, like a mobile playlist, and talk about what apps I think are great, or if there's any updates, like maybe when the 5.1.1 Lollipop update comes out, I might talk about that a little bit. So I do want to get a branch out a little bit. I don't want to just sit here and do unboxings and reviews on things all the time. I do want to get some more videos for like the tutorial videos and maybe some other videos like the app thing and all that kind of stuff. So I do want to branch out and do a little bit more. We do have a tech show. We call it a week in technology. So my co-host and I, my buddy Justin, we attempted to do it last night, and we did, and it was amazing. But this moron forgot to check the automatically save broadcast on Twitch. I know a lot of Twitch users, people that stream right now, are face palming their asses off. So I forgot to save or click the automatically save broadcasts, and we recorded an hour and 53 minutes, I believe it was, of this tech show, which is essentially a video podcast, I guess, in a way. We have our video streams up there, and then we have the logo, and then we have the website that we're reviewing down below, and we talk about these and then give our own opinions about it. And we had a lot of candid stuff, we had a lot of improv stuff, so it worked out really, really well. We were afraid that we weren't going to have enough information to even make it a worthwhile length video. But it actually ended up being really, really good, and we may have even went too long because we kind of went off on a few tangents. But it was fun. We did have a blast, but we started really late, and I think by the time that we were really done with everything, it was damn near 2 o'clock in the morning, and it was just fail. Because after I realized that I had screwed up, and the face palming was over, and all that, we went into the settings. I set it to save the broadcast, and I had just got done messing with a bunch of settings in Chrome because I was actually working on doing a tutorial of some settings in Chrome, right? And for any of the Chrome users out there, you know that when you check a box in Chrome, it auto-saves. You don't have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click save. It just saves it. So I clicked the box and then went back up to the top and went to dashboard to go back to get ready to start streaming. And we were going to go through all of the articles again, but in a little more of a Reader's Digest version. So we were going to cut it down. We weren't going to tangent so much, of course, because we didn't want to spend another 2 hours recording these videos. And so we did another live show. So we did 2 live shows. So if there was anybody watching live, they got to see the whole thing. But that wasn't very many people. So anyway, we finished the show and I didn't click the save button. So we lost 2 shows that we did last night. So we're going to attempt to do another one tonight and see if we can actually pull it off and get it done. So we're going to have some different articles. Some of the articles that we did talk about are going to be the same article that we did in the last live show because we didn't really have any viewers. But yeah, we didn't have any viewers really, so that kind of sucked. But we knew it was going to happen because I don't really have that many subscribers on my YouTube channel or anything anyway, so it wasn't a big surprise. So I was just doing it to get used to it, do some dry runs. The audio was absolute doo-doo. The audio was really bad. It was clipping like crazy. I had the settings all messed up. So we learned some things the hard way, and I'm glad that we did it though. So we're going to attempt to do it again today, maybe this evening. Not so late. So I will tweet it and put it out on Facebook and Google Plus or whatever whenever we decide to go live, and I'll let you know a time. I'm guessing somewhere around like 7, maybe 8 Eastern Standard Time. But other than that, that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to give a brief update on what you can expect from the channel. I'm not trying to make a crazy living out of this. I really just do it for fun. I'm going to do a video on my build. I did an X99 build with 5820K. I got SLI 970s for the Win editions in the machine, and 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM on AS Rock Fatality board. So I'm going to do a video explaining the parts that I have and showing it off. It's a really nice build though. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. A lot. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of goofiness. I can tell you that right now because that's just kind of how I am. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to follow me and get more videos like this in the future. And again, this is Josh from TektopiaTV, and thank you for watching.